What's up, guys? Now we are now I'm riding from Goa to Gokarna. We've just crossed the capital city of Panaji or Panji or Panjim, and now we're going towards Gokarna. Thought of making a small video for you guys. Enjoy Goa Gokarna road and the monsoons of Goa, the incessant rains of Goa. Though it's been raining incessantly, I'm really liking my ride. I rode to Goa from Bangalore, but I stopped at a few places in between, of course. Like I stayed one night in Hampi, one night in Dharwad, where I met a friend, and then another night in Belgaum. And from there on I came to Goa, then spent my last few days in North Goa, in Morjim. There's a Morjim beach, and have been roaming around the north of Goa mostly, like Arambol and all these places. It has been a good few days for me, and tell you what, honestly, riding in the rain is not that bad. I mean, seriously, if you got your things covered, if you got your rain jackets on and shoes are protected, I mean, it's not actually a bad thing to be riding in the rain. Of course, you have to be a good driver or a rider too, because the roads are slippery and all sorts of things. But you know, if you know. Coconut trees all around, near the beaches, by the roads, everywhere coconut trees. And you'll find a lot of coconut milk in the cuisine of Goa. I've been eating a lot of Goan curry last few days, and it is all about coconut. Last night I had my dinner at a Goan restaurant, and then in a small bowl they gave me some transparent reddish liquid, and I tried it once. It tasted weird, so I asked this guys, like, what is this red liquid? Then that guy said, waiter, he said it's kokum juice. It seems kokum juice, and it's very good. It seems for our health. So he said, have it after your meal. After your meal is done, have it. And sure enough, after I had my meal, I had the bowl of kokum juice, and it had like a, I think some garlic in it, roasted garlic, I think, and it felt good. I mean it tasted good after my meal, and because he said it's good, I thought, why not, let's try something good. So I had it. So yeah, go wise about all these things: coconut, kokum juice, and whatnot. And check out these fancy bridges, just like Mumbai, just like Bandra Wali Sea Link. Goa has its own Bandra Wali Sea Link. I'm sure it's called something else. Yay, we are going to cross the bridge. Yay! What is this shit all about? Crossing the Arabian Sea on a bridge. There is the Arabian Sea on my right, if you can see. But if you can't see, I'm sorry. It's the sea you can't see. It's the sea. Casino Pride. Yo. Casinos galore here. That's Goa for you guys. Are you enjoying this like I am right now? Go Goa gone! Cochin, Mangaluru, Murdeshwar, Karwar. So now we are on the highway to Gokarna, Udupi, Mangalore, all those places. So yeah guys, I hope you had fun riding with me in Goa. Yeah? Alright then. See you later. Ciao.